Hey guys, what's up? It's me, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Spotify look cool just like this. And see, the upgrade button is also gone, and it's colored and everything, and there are no ads or anything whatsoever. And then I can also stop playing after specific amount of minutes or after specific songs, like after I play two songs or three songs and everything. I can do it over here. So yeah. So let's get right into it. Alright, so firstly you're going to make sure that you have to make sure which version of Spotify that you have. If you have the Microsoft Store version, then you have to uninstall it and then you and reinstall the client from this link. This is basically the web app, you can say. Not exactly a web app. It is downloaded from a web, so it is more easily moddable as compared to the Microsoft Store. So you're going to make sure that you have this Spotify downloaded, and if you have like the Spotify downloaded from over here, then like just like me, then you're going to the next step is you're going to go on to spicetify.app. This is what we're going to use to like mod our Spotify client and install themes and extensions and etc. So you guys, after you have like those Spotify guys, after you've installed Spotify from that from the browser from the website, then you're going to come on to this step. And now it's basically the same for both, for everyone. So when you go to spicetify.app, then you're going to click on install now, and this is like for I'm using Windows, so I'll copy this PowerShell code and I'll click on this copy button over here. So I've copied this. For those of you who are using Linux or Mac OS, you're going to copy this code and then you're going to paste it in your terminal bash terminal. Uh, for me, I'm using PowerShell, so I've copied this, and then I'm going to search for PowerShell, and then I'm going to basically run it as administrator. Going to ask, like, UAC is going to ask for your permission. Click yes, and then you're going to press the right mouse button, and at this point it's basically downloading Spicetify from the web. So you gotta wait for all the downloads to work, and then when you like get this other line of code, you're going to press enter once again, and now it's basically opening those archives which it just downloaded, and it's going to install it. So this may also take some time depending upon your computer, and we're going to wait for it to install. All right. So all right. So when it is going to show Spotify is spiced up and success and everything, that at that point it basically means that it is installed successfully. So you're going to open up Spotify and you're going to wait for it to open, and you should see a marketplace tab over here. For those of you who do not see this marketplace tab, you're going to go back into PowerShell and type in spicetify apply. So you're just going to type this and press enter, and then and then when you restart Spotify, you should see this marketplace tab over here if you follow all the steps correctly. So you can click on this marketplace tab, and this is the Spotify marketplace from where you can install these extensions and everything. So you can go on to themes, install themes from here. For example, I'll install a theme. Um, I'll show you how a theme looks. I'll install it. I'll install this is a zero theme. Yeah, these are all the other colors and everything that you can like download it. So I'm just going to click on this big install button over here and see the theme is now applied. I can go back, go to extensions, and I can go download adblock. It'll ask me to if you like if I have want to reload the page. Like for this extension, you have to reload your Spotify. So click on reload now; it'll automatically reload it. See, now it's installed, and I can do it from over here as well if I want. So these are strong sats, all of those. Like all of these extensions you can check out, and depending upon what you like, you can install it accordingly. You can install those extensions accordingly. See, there's this volume percentage. You can add it over here, so I'll show you a volume percent. You can see like Korean lyrics and stuff. Spotify group sessions. So basically, you can listen together with more people. Like you know about group sessions, right? So this is that. The CSS editor, copy to clipboard. All of these really cool extensions you can check out. Uh, really like this one as well, sleep timer. I'll show it to you. So what this basically does is, I can sleep. Like I can stop playing after one song or after 30 minutes. Like this is really good if you're listening to a song like while you're sleeping, or so you want it to automatically turn off or something like that. You can use it that way. So way to music, cue duration. Basically, at this point, you can just look through everything and like see if you like anything. This is the end. All right. And now there are these snippets as well, which are like tiny pieces of code which you can download. See, it says fixed like icon. So basically, what it's doing is, as this matches the theme of the rest of the Spotify, but this is basically just like a colored, you can say, colored icon right in the middle, and this is the upgrade button. See, if I download it, it's going to like it's going to add code to the Spotify client, which basically removes this upgrade button, and I'll show you this as well. Alright, I downloaded and see no upgrade button. It's gone. This is what it basically does. Fix like button stuff. You can look on it. And there's these apps and like this is just a game and stuff. These are installed. So you if you go to install you can check what all extensions and themes and everything snippets you have. You can check them over here. And then if you want to uninstall any of them, you can go click on reset and your Spotify will be resetted to normal. Uh, like the Spicetify will still remain, but all the extensions, themes, snippets, etc. will be uninstalled. And finally, if you want to remove Spicetify from your computer, you're going to type in Spicetify. No, wrong spelling. Spicetify restore. See, running Spicetify restore will basically restore your Spotify to the point like to the exact moment. Not like if you save some more playlists and stuff, they will remain, but your Spotify will be like Spicetify will be uninstalled and your Spotify will be normal once again. And yeah, won't be able to mod it stuff and again. Won't be able to mod and stuff again. So after you type this you're going to press enter. I do not wish to uninstall Spicetify right now, so I'm not going to run this code, but I showed you just in case if you do not want Spicetify anymore. So that was it. That was how to install Spicetify and mod your Spotify client to make it look good and other things, extensions, themes, etc. If you have any more suggestions on topics I should make a video on, or other stuff like questions that you have, you can post them down in the comment section. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.